we're gonna see how that works. Okay, let's try it. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tamisha Denis, and I'm just casually today because I'm gonna be going out with my husband later, but I wanted to use this opportunity to review something I saw in the store. This is a regular habit that I'd like to make on my channel, where I actually review some dental products that I see in the store and I think are interesting to you guys. So I'm gonna show you what I picked up. I saw this in Target, and this is called Moon, and it is, here it is right here. And it says an activated charcoal whitening toothpaste that's fluoride free. Just for the sake of study, I got two kinds, and I guess this one is the activated charcoal version. And then the other version is a stain removing whitening toothpaste. And it's also fluoride free. It has an Elixir X blend. It's free of SLS/SLES, triclosan, parabens, animal products, and artificial flavors. And Elixir X cleans and freshens breath for a healthy looking smile. Features our proprietary blend of extracts and ingredients, green and black teas, ginseng, echinacea, cranberry, dead sea salt, tea tree oil, coconut oil, and peppermint oil. So that should be really interesting to try. And then I also, again, for experimenting sake for you guys, got this one also. So this one says it's a teeth whitening pen in vanilla mint. I love everything vanilla, so let's see how that works out. And so the first thing I'm gonna do is to use my toothbrush. I'm actually making a video about my toothbrush, how much I love my Oral-B toothbrush. I'm gonna brush my teeth really quickly. Just for the fun of it, let's start with the stain remover. This is what it looks like. Lunar Peppermint. Oh, not open. And these were quite expensive. I'm gonna show the price over here, but they were they're pretty expensive. I think it was like something between $6.99 or $8.99, so that's really expensive for a toothpaste. But I guess because Kendall Jenner is the one, promoting it, I guess that's why it's so expensive. Okay, so it's white. Okay, let's try it. That was really nice, so mild. Lunar Peppermint. I guess they named it after the moon. So I only did about a minute. You know, you're supposed to brush your teeth for 2 whole minutes. But I wanted to save my time to do the second one, which is the activated charcoal version. So let's try this. I guess I'm not gonna make the same mistake twice. Let's open it up. Now this one, ooh. It's like sparkly. Okay, let's try.